Welcome back to our channel.
How to reduce respiratory mucus, a comprehensive guide to healthier breathing. Respiratory mucus can be a frustrating condition, often linked to illnesses like bronchitis, pneumonia, sinusitis, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. Fortunately, there's a highly effective remedy for managing and reducing mucus: N-Acetylcysteine, NAC. This guide will explain the science behind NAC, its benefits, and how to use it effectively to clear respiratory mucus, while also exploring other health advantages of this powerful compound. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to click the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. Why NAC is a game changer for respiratory health. One better than salt for mucus. Reduction salt solutions, such as saline sprays, are often used to thin mucus. While effective for acute infections, they are no match for the benefits of NAC. NAC works by breaking down the bonds in mucus, making it less sticky and easier to expel. Moreover, it goes beyond thinning mucus. It reduces its production entirely. 2. A potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Inflammation in the respiratory system often exacerbates mucus production. NAC not only addresses inflammation, but also acts as a powerful antioxidant. This dual action helps reduce oxidative stress, which can lead to chronic conditions like asthma and COPD. 3. Supports the cilia in your respiratory system. The cilia, tiny hair-like structures in your respiratory tract, play a critical role in moving mucus out of your lungs and airways. NAC strengthens these cilia, ensuring better mucus clearance. Effective against biofilms, microbial biofilms, colonies of bacteria or viruses protected by a mucus-like barrier, are difficult to break down. NAC's unique properties allow it to penetrate and disrupt these biofilms, aiding in the elimination of pathogens. How NAC helps beyond mucus. 1. Liver protection against Tylenol poisoning. NAC is widely used in hospitals to treat acetaminophen Tylenol overdose. It replenishes glutathione, a key antioxidant depleted by excessive Tylenol consumption. This action protects the liver from severe damage. 2. Improved brain health. NAC crosses the blood-brain barrier, making it a valuable antioxidant for the brain. Research suggests its potential for treating Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, depression, and even addictive behaviors like gambling or substance abuse. 3. Enhanced insulin sensitivity. For those struggling with metabolic conditions, NAC can improve insulin sensitivity. This means better blood sugar control, reduced risk of fatty liver, and improved overall metabolic health. 4th, immune system support studies have shown NAC's effectiveness in managing HIV and reducing the severity of infections. Its role in chelating heavy metals like mercury further highlights its detoxifying properties. Is how to take NAC for mucus reduction. 1. Supplementation of dosage, 600 milligrams 3 times daily. This method is convenient and effective for most people. 2. Nebulization. Use 10 to 20% NNAC solution in a nebulizer to deliver the compound directly to the lungs. This approach is particularly useful for severe respiratory conditions. 3rd, injection administered by a healthcare professional. This method is less common but highly potent. Boosting NAC's effects. To enhance the effectiveness of NAC, consider combining it with the following. Vitamin C strengthens immunity and aids in mucus clearance. Turmeric, curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Probiotics support gut and immune health. Magnesium relaxes the airways, improving breathing. Quercetin, found in onions, this phytonutrient complements NAC's anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamin D, high doses, 20,000 IU, can regulate the immune system and prevent respiratory infections. Precautions and tips for using NAC. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting NAC, especially if pregnant, breastfeeding, or on medication. Avoid using NAC if you have a sulfur allergy. Start with a lower dosage to test your tolerance. Today, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, Subscribe for more wellness tips and share your thoughts in the comments below.